Hi, I have another scrapbook process video for you today, and here I'm going to be scrapping a photo of when I went to the Houston Astros game. So I knew in the photo that I had the green, the bold green color, and then I saw this yellow paper in some of my stash. And then I saw that blue, and I just kind of going through my papers and looking to see what would work. I kind of felt like the yellow and the blue would work, and then I saw this paper right here with all the different colors of the green, the yellow, the orange, the white, and the navy that worked as well. So then I went through my 8x8 papers, or 6x6 papers, I'm sorry. I saw that green one, and I knew it would work as well. So those are kind of the colors I had chosen, and it kind of I pulled them from the photo, So I also went through some of my documenting cards that I've gone through the Purkey and Messy Box a long time ago to see if there's any that would work in there, and I found this one yellow one here with the orange accent. And I'm using this happy stamp that I know I got in a Studio Calico kit probably about a year ago. I'm just going to tuck it there behind the photo that I matted. And then I had this little navy spotted paper that came from, that was from a Messy Box probably like 2 years ago. So I'm just also tucking some other papers I had found in my stash there. So I'm just kind of layering the papers here just to see how I thought they would work into this layout. And then, so I just kind of built it upon there. There was no rhyme or reason, just kind of whatever felt right. And now I'm just going to start tucking in a bunch of embellishments that I had pulled through my embellishments pile that matched with the colors that I wanted to use. So I pulled a lot of greens, navies, oranges, and a few yellows. I pulled some washi tape out because I have tons of washi tape and wanted to start trying to use it more in my layouts, as well as other kinds of materials that I have in my stashes, my scrapbooking stash that I want to start using, just to kind of use stuff that I've piled up that's been there for years. So I found that little date tab there that I put down at the bottom right hand corner, and I don't know what I'm doing right now. Oh, I was getting the date stamp. So I'm going to date stamp when this photo took place. It was actually a birthday gift. My brother and I went to the Astros game for my birthday. So I will later on put that into my journaling. Anyways, so I'm just kind of tucking some more washi tape here into the layout and tucking more embellishments as well. I have some chipboard stuff that I know came from Studio Calico kit. It was over a year ago. I saw when I was looking through my stuff, I saw that I had still one of the kits together, and it was exactly a year ago when I got it. You can't see it, but that little navy chipboard thing that says is a few of my favorite things written on it. And now I'm just putting some gold enamel dots that kind of pulled from that chipboard that I used, that navy chipboard that I put down. Then I found some stars that match the different colors. So I'm just kind of figuring out where I want to put them down, lay them down onto the layout. I had some orange hearts on it as well. I put one of the orange hearts. And then I remember these stars that I saw in my pile and I wanted to put those tuck in there. It worked perfectly for it being the Astros, since one of their big symbols is a star. So I kind of liked how I was able to incorporate some of the stars into this layout. And then I had these little banners too that I'm going to tuck in here that I found in my embellishment pile. I just have a big old shoebox kind of thing with embellishments all tucked into them that I've gone through all these kits through the past several years. And so I'm just kind of tucking them down there, some of those banners underneath the date stamp. And then I think next I am going to move on to doing my title, yes. So at first I decided to put the title at the top right corner of or actually I'm pulling some papers to see, because I thought I knew the colors that I wanted to use my title might kind of get lost with the paper. So I'm trying to see if a white cardstock would work to kind of make the layout stand up. But then I decided to go, just forget about it. So I decided I'm going to put the title up here at the top right-hand corner. But then when I was kind of about to lay down the A for the Astros, I didn't like it. So I decided to move it down there by where I date stamped. And so then I moved the Go above it and put in the Astros. I kind of wish, I don't know, the title was a little bit bigger. But I felt like if I found any letters that I had that were much bigger, it would overpower the layout. So I had added the journaling after I put this date in. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and like.